Welcome to another video. I'm in the backyard today and I'm just trying to clean up because we had, like, I don't know, some kind of windstorm or something, and it just blew everything everywhere. So I was just picking up the chairs and trying to put them back and fixing some of the containers and stuff that was blown over. I've been trying to come out here to do some work, but either it's too cold, either it's raining, or something happening. so I just cannot come out of here and do work. But 2 days ago, I brought in many more pots. So let me show you how much pots we have out here now. So this is the pots that I brought, many more, as you can see. I have some here and I have there, and I bought a lot of pots underneath here. So I have my whole shebang of pots here. I also bought the trays so I can start planting. I bought some more bags over there, and I got some wire mesh from the farm, and I got some cardboard and a whole lot of soil. I took some from the farm and I just brought them here. They were quite frozen, but let me see. Now they're not frozen anymore. And I bought some more, a second set. So that looking good. I bought some at Walmart and I bought some at Canadian Tire. That looking good. Then I bought some, well, I took this from the farm. I bought these ones I showed you guys in a previous video, and these ones, let me take it to show you all. This one, I'm gonna put it down here to act as a barrier for the stones because I don't want to mess up the stones. But while I was let me sit down. Oops. But you all, I come out here and I sit down because, you know, I want to have an idea of what I'm going to do with the garden, how I'm going to plant this garden, how I'm going to, you know, make this garden suitable, because I really want to put my greenhouse somewhere. I just didn't have the opportunity to put the greenhouse yet because it's always so cold. But today we're in the plus, so I'm happy. And hopefully next week we're going to get better weather so I can finally put my greenhouse up. So which means I have to move all these pots. Yes, I gotta move all these pots, and I gotta put down a fabric on the ground. But I got this fantastic idea because I was watching a homesteader and she had this fabric that she put down, and I'm like, I am gonna get this fabric. So guys, I'm so excited. Let's go inside. My Amazon package came today. Let's go and open it up because I see people talking about this fabric, but this woman, you know, she actually have it in her garden, and you know, she's actually showing how it works. And that's how I like to watch videos, how things work for me. So I see how she used it, and I figure out I will use it like a pathway, because I was about to go buy wood chips, and I'm thinking, no, I don't need wood chips. I'm just going to use that as a pathway just to walk. Yeah. So yeah, so I ordered it on Amazon yesterday, and Amazon is so fast when you're on Prime. So I have Prime. I ordered it. I was so anxious I opened it already. But I know me completely. I got it. So guys, I got this roll of fabric to put down. And I'm so excited because when I saw she have it, I was like, well, I'm not sure about it. But now that I bought it. This is what it looks like. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. It's like a feed bag material, and it's very hard. So that can last many seasons actually. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna put that down and put my pots. Like I'm gonna roll it down. So, oh, let me tell you guys. So this is 4 feet by 100. 4 feet by 100 feet. So I'm not gonna need all of that, but it's pretty long. So I'm gonna actually it's 3 feet by 100 feet. Sorry, 3 feet by 100 feet. So I'm just gonna lay it down, cut it in two, and put it side by side to make it wider. So I'm excited about that. And I got some more grow bags because I bought a first set of grow bags and they're so good. I planted my potatoes in them and they are excellent. So I am going to be using more of that. And I bought it for $21 when I bought it 2 weeks ago, and now it's $16 for 10 because they have some sale. I'm like, oh my gosh. Anyways, I got it for $16. So now I have 20 of these grow bags, which is going to be the perfect amount of bags for me for my grow season. So I have enough bags to grow stuff. But this, guys, I'm really excited about that because I figure out now that I can even use this as a covering for like a raised bed. Put it over the raised bed, burn holes in it. Like, I have so much ideas in my brain what I'm going to use this thing for. It's amazing because you can burn holes in it. But anyways, I'm very excited about that. So I just wanted to talk to you guys about that. So this is really, really exciting. Now, the next thing I want to talk to you guys about is garlic. Let me show you what my garlic look like. And I'm going to tell you about some things in gardening that works and some things that does not work. Let me get my garlic. So let's talk about the garlic. So this is my garlic. 2 different sets of garlic. So I planted my garlic. This one. You see that? Do you see this garlic? I was looking on YouTube and I'm like, I want to grow garlic in water. I want to grow garlic in water to see how it's going to work. Not the traditional way. So I decided to experiment. Guys, well, the water method does not work. This garlic here has been growing for 3 weeks. As you can see, it has lots of roots, but there's no shoots on top here. Not one shoot is on top. This garlic is growing in soil, and as you can see, it has loads of shoots already. And this garlic is just 1 week old. This is a week old garlic. This is 3 weeks old garlic. So guys, what is going ahead here? Why isn't this garlic growing and sending out shoots? And why is this garlic looking perfect? Well, the answer to that is not everything we see on YouTube we should follow, because some trends or some gardening things are a big hoax. Honestly, I was very disappointed with this garlic because, as you can see, there's not even one shoot, just a whole bunch of roots. And this garlic, amazing. See, amazing stuff. So when am I gonna plant this garlic? When should you plant your garlic? Plant your garlic anytime you want to plant it. And I don't think there's any specific time that garlic is gonna do better. I think it's about your growing season and how long it's your growing season. And yeah, that's basically it. But I told you in a previous video that I don't really grow garlic for the bulb. I just grow garlic for the leaves because I love the taste of garlic leaves, and I like to make my green seasoning with the garlic. So that's what I'm growing it for. But let me know if you grow garlic like this. If you grow garlic like this, or did you grow garlic like this and did it work? Because mine surely did not work. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this garlic out of the water and I'm going to plant it in soil, and I am going to see if it will shoot up like these ones, because I'm a little bit annoyed about that. Anyhow, so you might be wondering, am I going to leave my garlic here? No, they're not going to stay here. Once all of the garlic shoot up and they have like, well, these ones have like 3 leaves. Yeah. So once they get a little bit bigger and outside get warmer, I'm going to take them out of this tray and I'm just going to put them in the pot that they are going to grow in for the rest of the season. When I do this, I do this all the time and it works perfectly. So if you is a person who never grown garlic before and you want to grow garlic and you're not sure, that's a good way to start it. And if you have a short growing season, that's a good way to start your garlic also. And if you're growing garlic just for the leaves, that's a good way to start your garlic also. So that's how I do mine. In the past, I also put garlic just in the beds and they do well. They grow. And they have because I have a short growing season, it's not long enough, so I'll have like a big head of garlic. But I get like a small little head of garlic, so it's okay. It's no big deal. And if you have a short growing season like me and you have a greenhouse, you can plant your garlic in the greenhouse, leave it in there. And I think when the spring comes the next year, you can leave it they will pop up, and then you'll harvest them at the end of the summer, and then you should have a good size garlic. But where I live, garlic is pretty cheap. So for me, I don't think it's like a big deal for me to grow cloves of garlic, because I get 4 cloves of garlic, sometimes 89 cents, 99 cents. Maybe garlic is just the cheapest thing in my area. I don't know. I just find garlic is really cheap. And for me, 89 cents for 4 bulbs of garlic, I think that's pretty cheap. But anyways, I grow for the leaves and that's great. And I like to make garlic oil. So, I just pick up a couple of packets of garlic and I make garlic oil. And when I plant my garlic, when I pull them up, I get enough bulbs to make my garlic oil. So, yeah, I'm not like a big garlic person that I need to grow so much garlic. But maybe in the future, my mind is going to change. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, garlic is really cheap in my grocery store here. So, I plant other things that are more expensive, and other things that I think I'll be spending a lot of money for. I grow that. So, yeah. Let me give you a little update on my potato. So this is my potato, and look at it. Look how much it has grown. Look at that. Look at that. So I have lots of potatoes, and I think I'll be harvesting a couple of bags. This is just one bag I put here because I want this bag. Well, there's a space actually, that's why I put it here. As I told you guys, I put most of my stuff in the boiler room, but the boiler room I have to keep a light on down there. But I put this one here, and this one is doing really well. Yeah, actually the other one is doing well too, right here, but it's not as shooted up as this one. And yeah, and my other things are looking good. Like my beans is looking good, my flowers are looking good. Everything that's planted here is looking really good. Everything has come up. My beans, look at that germination. Look at this, look at that. So everything is looking good. They have grown bigger, and I am actually going to do some transplanting very, very soon. And I'm going to do a video for you guys with the transplant. And the next thing before I close out this video, I want to show you guys is my pineapple. So guys, I have this pineapple. This pineapple is about, well, since last year I got it. Yeah, last year, like when winter started, I got this pineapple, and I've had this pineapple inside water for months and months, almost 8 months now. So that was, I think, was like in the end of August, September. Yeah, about 8 months, 7 months or 8 months to have this pineapple. And guys, look at it. It's still alive. It's alive. And the only reason I didn't put it inside a pot because I just didn't have a big enough pot to put it. So now I got a big pot for her. I'm going to plant her. And she just keeps shooting out many leaves, you know. So I'm going to plant her and see if I'm going to get a pineapple. I know they said you need two. So I have another one. I am going to put them close by together and see if I'm going to get a pineapple. I don't know. I don't know. What do you guys think? Have you ever planted pineapple? When I do some research, it says that the pineapple are already male and female together. So I don't know. But back home, when we plant pineapple, we just plant the pineapple and I don't know what happens. we just get pineapple. So I don't know what variety is this, but we'll see. We'll see. Let me put her back in the spot. Okay, guys. So this is a very chatty video. I just wanted to chat with you guys about some stuff. And the next thing I want to ask you guys is, let me know what kind of videos you like to watch, because I'm noticing on the channel that sometimes you guys like certain videos and the videos are like 2,000 plus, and sometimes you guys don't like those videos. So comment in the bottom the videos that you really want to see. So I'll be making videos that you like. You know, I really want to know what videos you guys like. But going forward, it's gardening season, so a lot of garden videos are coming up. If you want to see something specific concerning garden, let me know. I also do other things like in my business and stuff. So if you want me to continue making some more business video or do a mix, also let me know. Okay? So guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for chatting with me today. And I'll see you in the next one. Mwah, mwah.